Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use TikTok funny face effect. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create new post on TikTok. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and if you want to use the TikTok funny face effect, we can go to the effect menu. You can go to this option. Okay, and then you can go to all effect to access all effect in the TikTok. And if you want to apply funny face, you can go to the funny category. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find funny. Okay, and here you will be able to get funny face effect you can use for your TikTok video. And for example, guys, I'm going to try this one. Wait, I'm going to flip my camera. Okay, and this is the result. Wait, I'm going to try another effect. Let's try this one. Okay. You can choose the effect that you like, guys. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, once you're done selecting the effect, you can go back, and here you can use the effect to take photo or take a video. If you want to take photo, you just need to go to the photo and you can click on this icon to take photo. But if you want to use it to record your video, you can just select the duration of your video. Then you can click on this button to start the recording. Okay. Hi. Okay, I'm going to stop it and click on this check mark. Okay, and here before you post your video, you can edit the video using the editing tools right here. You can add tags or sticker, and once you're ready to post it, you can click on next. Okay, this is the result, guys. And here you can add description for your video, and then you just need to click on post. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use TikTok funny face effect. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.